Feeding the needy. The first deed mentioned in the main hadith under discussion, which raises a Muslim's rank, is feeding others. Offering food to others is a very special deed, and when done sincerely for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, reaps an unimaginable reward. In fact, the Holy Quran has declared that those who do this will be protected from the torment of Judgment Day, and blessed with paradise. Chapter 76 Al-Insan, verses 8-12.
And they give food in spite of love for Ito the needy, the orphan and the captive, saying, We feed you only for the face, i.e. approval of Allah. We wish not from you reward or gratitude. Indeed, we fear from our Lord a day austere and distressful. So Allah will protect them from the evil of that day, and give them radiance and happiness, and will reward them for what they patiently endured, with a garden in paradise and silk garments.
Allah, the Exalted, gives people according to what they do. For example, the Holy Quran mentions that if one remembers Allah, the Exalted, He in turn will remember them. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 152.
So remember me, I will remember you.
Feeding others for the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted, is just the same. The one who performs this righteous deed will be fed food from paradise, and whoever gives drink to others will be given drink from paradise on Judgment Day. This is confirmed in a hadith found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 2449. When asked about the best type of Islam, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised in a hadith found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6236, that feeding others and greeting others with kind speech are the best traits in Islam. Muslims should make it a top priority to act on this righteous deed and strive to feed others, especially the poor, on a regular basis. This is an amazing deed which does not require much wealth. Each person should feed others according to their capacity, even if it is only half a date fruit, as the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has advised in a hadith found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1417, that this will protect them from the fire of hell on Judgment Day. This leaves people with no excuse from abstaining from this righteous deed. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.